Hi, and welcome to another tutorial. In this one, I will show you how you can create spark lines in a table. First, for those who don't know me, I'm Catherine. I'm Managing Director of Yoda BI. I'm also founder of the Female Fabricator and Power Platform User Group. You can reach out on LinkedIn or on Blue Sky. You can also hit the subscribe button here on YouTube so you don't miss any videos anymore. You can also go on my website where I have a little blog. Okay, let's start. First, we need a table. If you don't have one, let me show how you can create them. We go to the right and choose the table under the visual area. Then we can fill in our data. For example, I choose my month name. I also choose the revenue, my month over month, and also percentage. Now I will make the font a bit bigger. So for this, you can go to the right on the Format Your Visual area, go on Grid, go on Options, and there you have the global font size. And there you can, for example, put in 16 so we see a bit better here. So now you can see the numbers. And I don't like to see the total, so I will switch them off. So now it looks a bit better. You can also, for example, change the style of your table if you want. You can go to Style Presents, and then you have here the styles. I like the none one because it is not that highlighting. And then you, of course, you can change anything else you want. But we want to create a sparkline, right? So for this, we have to switch back to add data to your visual, and you choose one of your data fields here, your columns, click on the arrow which goes down, and then you can say add a sparkline. In this, you can change also the Y and the X axis. I want to see the percentage month over month, and I want to see it after days, so that I see in one of my months how the trend's going. Okay, that's all. So now I can hit create, and I see here now my bars or my sparkline. Why I say bars? Because you can change the look of your sparkline, so you can also change it into a bar, columns in this case. Could be a bit confusing if you have some which are going down and up, so choose wisely in this case, or only highlight the month. So have a filter here. For example, I put in a slicer, and then I can put in here my month. And then if I click on it, I see here I have a trend which is going up and down. And if I want, I can change it back to SPARKline, so to lines. And then you see here, I see this as line. Depends on what you want, but hopefully this was helpful, and we see us in the next tutorial. Bye bye.